Would you like to come inside? You want to come in? It's very slippery. It's very slippery. Oh my gosh. Come on. No, do not throw it outside. Jennifer. Come here. Hurry, hurry. Do you want to come in? Come on in. Come here. No, don't throw it outside. Hurry, hurry. I know. Oh my gosh. Boo-boo. Is it very rainy? Is it all wet? What's it doing? We need some more towels? What's it doing outside? What is it? Huh? Let's dry off the camera just a little. I see it. It's a rainy day. You want to go outside? You are a crazy person. Yes, that's the towel you threw outside. And dry off the floor for me. Get all dry. Good job. You're very helpful. Oh, it's all wet? Yes. What do you see? Is it slippery? Are you in that job? Dry off the floor. Dry off the floor. It's all wet. It's all wet. Are you going to have a little sleep? Night-night. Night-night. Nighty-night. Rock-a-bye, baby, on a treetop. When the wind blows, the Jenny will rock. I'm going to tickle you some more. You better watch out. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to tickle your random leg. I'm going to give you tickles. What's under here? What's under here? It's very rainy outside. It's going to rain. Are you floor swimming? Are you swimming? Splash, splash, splash. Are you swimming on the floor? Splash, splash, splash. You want to go back outside? Okay.